The Audi Urban Future Award 2014 poses the question of how data will shape mobility in future megacities. You decide which innovation team from the United States will be part of this challenge. Axel Killian is computational designer and assistant professor at Princeton University School of Architecture.
My vision for mobility is one of seamless multimodal transportation, where ad hoc negotiations happen seamlessly. Getting on a bus that arrives just in time, getting off the bus, getting a bike, arriving at the destination, doors open, I'm being directed to my destination without much worry or planning.
Axel Killian, Ben Fry, and Saul Griffith will collaborate on developing scenarios for future urban mobility. Ben Fry and his company Fathom are experts in visualizing data. Saul Griffith is founder of OtherLab, who is reinventing technology through prototypes.
One challenge would be to overcome the fixed, always present solution of fixed parking infrastructure and replace it with a dynamic technological solution on the car side that manages the asset of car without driver in a more intelligent way. We see such solution currently at a high price in forms of valet parking, but why can we not scale up this phenomena that's currently one for a few on a broad spectrum to all? So we intentionally look at selective subsets of data to have a chance to re-understand the world and overcome established paradigms which may be ingrained in the way we collect and visualize data today.
And so having done that, you can then move on to the next page of your sketchbook, which is essentially, a new visualization and new tools.
We would like to have the opportunity to explore, together with Audi, ways of creating solutions and prototypes to change the world and make us understand how we could approach the future.
Vote now to the 5th of January at AudiUrbanFuture.com. The winner will be announced at the International CES in Las Vegas.